birthday to you. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Hey!
Thank you very much, my love. Oh, go eat now.
Although it's your birthday, waking up to you every day is like a birthday to me.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today is a very special day because... Daddy, why is it a very special day?
It's Jovey's birthday.
Yay! So it is the 17th of November and yeah, it is my birthday guys, so very exciting. We are at the park as you can see. Ayan. Today is, what day is it today?
The 17th of November.
The day? Oh, Tuesday. Today is Tuesday.
It's Wednesday. Oh, it's Tuesday.
Tuesday, yeah. So today is Tuesday guys and Daddy Mike and I are both working and oh my god guys, sobrang busy and stressful sa work at the moment. Kaya dito na lang kami kumain ni Daddy Mike sa park. Nag-order na lang si Daddy Mike ng makakain namin guys. Initially, gusto ni Daddy Mike na pumunta sa labas, kumain sa labas for lunch. But, again, as mentioned guys, sobrang busy sa trabaho and ayaw kong malayo sa trabaho for so long. Kasi sobrang nakaka-stress talaga guys. Like seriously, sabi ko nga sa sarili ko, why today? Bakit ngayon pa ganito ka busy sa work at ganito ka stressful na birthday ko? But anyways, Daddy Mike made it special still. Ayan. So, nagdala kami ng ganito guys. Nagdala kami ng mat. And, ayan, ang aming pagkain ay naubos na. Ayan. Hindi ko na vlog kanina guys kasi yung ating battery ay, hindi battery, yung ating memory card is full. Kaya kailangan ko pang mag-transfer ng ng mga videos sa phone ko. Anyways, ayan na oh. I-insert ko na lang yung photo guys ng pagkain namin. Dito ang ating baby girl guys kasi nasa childcare siya today. And then, ano pa bang ganap natin today? By the way, thank you, Daddy Mike, for doing this. Dinalhan pa ako ni Daddy Mike ng blanket, guys. O, kasi kanina, hindi siya mainit, walang araw, at sobrang maginaw. And then ngayon, uminit na siya, guys. Hindi ko na kailangan ng aking jacket. Wala talaga kaming pinano for today, guys. Kasi weekdays, and alam nyo naman kami, we are both working. Kaya yun, yung celebration na lang namin is 2 weeks from now.
2 weekends.
Yeah, 2 weekends from now. We are going
To Capel Sound on the Mornington Peninsula.
yeah, to Capel Sound. We are going to spend our weekend there. But for now, wala lang guys, ganito lang. It's very special pa rin naman guys, kahit ganito lang, o diba? Hindi mo naman talaga kailangan ng maraming ganap for your birthday. And I think my bestie is coming later tonight. I'm not too sure. Parang hindi pa na book talaga, pero sabi niya na magluluto siya ng spaghetti and he's coming over tonight for dinner. So yeah, anyways, after nito guys, babalik na naman kami ng work. It's still
3 o'clock.
Yeah, it's still 3 o'clock ng hapon and yeah, I'm just very happy na yung weather ay sumang-ayon today guys, kasi kanina talaga kailangan ko mag-jacket kasi sobrang maginaw. That's about it. Thank you Daddy. Send you an update later guys, mamaya sa hapon pag pick up namin kay Paris and then pag nandito na yung bestie ko. What is that?
It's a car, it's a car.
It's a cupcake! Nom.
May hold it?
Mommy hold it. Okay. That's Paris. Pick a
Come on, we have a heart.
Aww,
Ivan.
thank you Paris.
Ian,
She picked
come
cake.
this side, please.
Yeah?
Go to Georgia.
Did you do it?
Please come this side.
Yes,
Come here.
to birthday. Definitely good.
Come here.
Wow, thank you honey.
Mary.
Thank you very much. Gimana ka? Ang bata nga bulingit. Nga kayo, dirty na. Thank you for making this one, Bobby girl. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang ginawa, guys. Oh. Super cute.
Anything going on, huh?
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you.
Did Daddy make a phone call? You didn't bring your bottle today. It's alright, it's at home. It's at home.
Ito, baby girl.
Ano kayo yun? Ito, wala naman. Isa pa, be?
Excuse me, baby. Go. Find the car. Hi, guys. What you want? Nag-stop muna kami sa shops kasi si Daddy Mike pumunta bumili ng donuts tapos bili kami ng drinks from Woolworths. Do you wanna come out?
Water, please.
Okay, water. We'll go get water from the shop.
Water bottle.
Water bottle. Did you have a good day at school? Guys, kakauwi lang namin. Nandito na ang ating green. Sabot mo nga green?
Kamusta?
Green ang team?
Ayos.
Ay, nak, Tito Renak, here. 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 What's this? Cheese?
Oh.
You wanna give?
Come from work.
This is my work from home attire. Mine's like
Da.
milk pan.
Nag-deliver, gid ni sila sa kuan. Nag-deliver na siya sa
Oh,
akong order.
let's go, baby.
Deliver na siya sa akong order. Alam na what's inside.
Facebook Market. Oh, is that?
Oh, that's Paris. Hi guys, nandito lang aking bestie ulit. Guwapa eh.
Big bubbles.
Ayan.
People with bubbles.
Gav,
Did you want
sa
to-
likuran. Ay,
Yes. Oh, cheers.
tingnan mo.
Cheers.
Cheers!
Jovey, where's the
So I'm waiting for the something. Guys, tingnan niyo yung niluto ni Ron. Spaghetti, oh. Isa ka pamilyahan? Isa ka kusina?
Gamay naman mo.
It's Filipina spaghetti.
You were in.
Yeah, I know eh. Next, ko paniod to next week.
The grapple.
We've got garlic bread.
Oh.
Meron siya ang ating chef. Yan, dito kami kakain guys.
Youth corner.
Meron kaming donut dito. Wala kaming walang cake.
Ano na ito ba? Arrange it.
Si Paris, nakalingkod sa iyang... Di, komportable kasi Paris. Uy, kita ka chess. Chess.
That's what I said. I think it's true.
Paris, are you comfortable there, na? Oh. In the park. So, ayan, nagdiyan guys, no? Ibang-iba sa Pilipinas na merong mga, ang tawag dito, may lechon. Dito, wala guys, may spaghetti na guys. Kung hindi siya nagluto, wala talaga akong spaghetti. Magluluto yung McDonald's, ano eh. Oh, it's good. No, very happy.
Ang daming judgmental, spaghetti ra. Spaghetti ra mo. Judge.
Sa Pilipinas, dapat meron kang may bihon, may lechon, may...
Catering.
Yeah, I know.
Down?
Guys, here in Australia, ibang-iba talaga kapag nag-birthday kami. Sobrang iba talaga, guys.
Super.
No? It's very different. Like sa Pilipinas, sobrang busy na ng mga tao. Sa umaga pa, nagluluto, ganito, ganyan. Dito guys, kasi lahat nagtatrabaho. So, ayan, especially weekdays, nagtrabaho, walang time, ganyan. So, ngayon lang, kakatapos naming mag-work. Tsaka na kami nakakapag ganito. Ayan, I'm very happy na kami guys na may ganito. I'm very, very happy na talaga guys. No? What is it you're after, Baba?
How's looking?
Yeah. What's that? Yeah, nakamahal. Yeah,
I've
na.
been really busy, but I'm just not into it anymore. Yeah, I'm kind of.
They're already drinking beer. Ito yung kanilang beer guys, so bayan ba eh. Pero hindi ako umiinom, so water lang tayo. Huh? You have to open eat the spaghetti first. Ano? Are you gonna sing happy birthday to mommy? We have to sing happy birthday first before we eat the donuts.
Yes.
Is that right, Tito Ron?
Everyone's birthday first.
Yeah. Okay?
Now to.
Tish, singing na, Ti, para makaon na siya.
Sorry. Now I can make my day. No, like I can
Why wait?
take 3 or 4 hours off.
Why wait?
Yeah.
Oh, sing now.
Fun, boring. Yeah.
Madali akong kausap.
Yeah, oh.
Yeah.
Na,
Wala mo
gonna
ni-
sing happy birthday ha to mama before.
Enjoying
Wala
work.
mo ni no.
And I was really busy. And
We have to eat first.
Yeah.
And that's
Yung anak naman mo nga.
Mugani, madali akong kausap.
And then
Before I can eat, I'll sing happy birthday. Kumakanta siya. Kumakanta.
yeah.
No, you have to sing with everyone now.
Yeah. And there's
Okay? We'll eat donuts tayo.
yeah.
We'll eat donuts after have sing happy birthday. Siya lang nagluto. Siya pang slice.
Buti mo.
Ikaw na yun. Best friend of the year.
How about Melbourne like
Garlic bread.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Nako, try that one ako.
Kani ko gramo ani par.
Oh, wala yung mga kandila, guys. Nagbat ka. Si Ron pa nagdala ng kandila, guys. Oh, gabi kay ka-organize.
Super.
Ang cake. Oh, hagdan ang cake. 2-story na cake. 2 stores ng cake. Ah, Lord. Ayan, inopen na namin kasi si baby girl natin ay gusto nang kumain.
35-minute drive to Brisbane.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, mommy.
Hip hip. Hip hip.
Hey, man, blood kind of fast.
Ah, blood.
Hip hip.
Hip hip na.
Hooray.
Hip hip.
Yeah. How about Paris song for mommy, please?
Yes.
Oh, this is blood kind of fast.
You have to sing the song
Let's sing
first.
first. Do it.
Okay. Okay, Mama will make a wish.
Make a wish, mommy. Tell mommy close your eyes.
You're so dumb. You're so. You're so.
My blood kind of fast.
Okay.
Blood.
You go on. You go on.
Okay, you blow the candle for mommy. Yeah.
Go closer. Go closer.
Blow. Ikaw na birthday.
Go like this.
Let's first do it.
Go closer.
Closer. Go closer. Come on. The other one. Wow. Mas pala ta.
Hey!
Yay! Can you sing happy birthday to mommy na?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Hey!
Thank you very much, my love. Oh, go eat now.
You're gonna stop.
You can have now.
Paris is thinking
Sing again.
straight to donuts.
Tea.
What the hell is that there? Where's it? It's a top.
See, Gab is hungry. Come on.
Yeah, eat.
Picture. Picture for more.
Very nice.
Wow. An orange, I think.
You have to go on a decent little walk tomorrow morning before work.
Putlon rin siya. Sa tinsod, nanti kailangan ba siya putlon ng kuat?
Remember, I can't be
Papa,
trusted
I
with
can't be
tongs.
daddy.
Huh?
I'm going to some
Yeah,
kind of.
remember last time?
You blow some candles.
Yeah.
With what?
I
The tongs. Remember last time I was here, I had the tongs, like, let go of them, flick the food?
Oh no!
Drop na.
It's okay.
Here you go, Gab.
Oh, you're feeding me.
You're lucky.
Yeah, of
okay.
course. You're feeding me with this, I'm feeding you.
Okay.
Your daddy just mopped the floor and you.
Yay. Na, do you wanna eat spaghetti na?
Yeah.
This is the real spaghetti, Char. This is the real spaghetti. It's yours.
Here's your tea.
Lisod mo kayo.
Done.
Hey, Papa.
Come. Wala, natawag ka. Kumarapag.
Giovanni Donatello will be rolling in his grave if he said that.
Gusto?
Sure! Imo ni.
Ah, ako may hotdog.
Oh, imo maliwan. Lupot mo hotdog.
Do you want to try that? Paris? You ever tried the noodle?
Even Glen Iris, I never spent time. I never really spent time around Glen Iris and that. They're beautiful. Glen Iris, Taronga.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Guapa ka? Huh? Guapa ka?
Humble.
Guapa is pretty.
Are you pretty na?
Guapa ka na? No. Guapa ka pa?
Hey, Paris.
Guapa? Pagdating na ako.
Paris. Are you pretty?
Confident. Say yes!
Guys, they are going. Going.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Tito.
Tito kiss.
Are you going to miss Tito Ron?
We're going to the cars.
You wanna go to Tito's car? Really? You wanna go home with Tito Bam and Tito Ron?
Tito kiss.
You want to? They've got two cats, Fussy and Archie.
Mom, I want to see Jason's car.
Oh, no, thank you, Tiha. Thank you so much.
No worries to
Thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate it.
family.
Yeah, I know. My family. Thank you for the food.
Okay, welcome out.
Come on. Thank you for the food.
Come on.
We'll see you sa konti. When am I gonna see you again? We'll see you tomorrow in the meeting. Jade's
I know,
birthday
right?
thing.
What are that tea? Yeah.
See, you wanna bring back your gift? Ngit-ngit na siya, guys. You can see. I just want to say a big thank you to Daddy Mike for organizing stuff today for me from the lunch. And also, kanina umaga pala, guys, nung nagising si Daddy Mike. What did you tell me when you wake up this morning?
I said, although it's your birthday, waking up to you every day is like a birthday to me.
So it's now 10:30 ng gabi and pasensya na hindi natapos yung chika ko sa inyo kanina kasi yung ating memory card ay na-full na naman, so I had to move some videos from the camera to my phone, and then si Paris was starting to soup na kaya pinatulog ko na, guys. So ang ating baby girl ay nakatulog na. Anyways, ito yung pinapakita ko sa inyo kanina. So itong birthday card na ginawa ni Paris, tingnan niyo sa likuran, guys. So andyan siya. Pinicturean siya habang ginagawa niya tong card na to. And you know what? Hindi pala ako nag-wonder. Kasi akala ko na nasa system nila yung birthday ko. Diba? O, diba? Special lang. VIP. But, si Daddy Mike pala yung tumawag sa kanila para i-organize to get Paris to make this one for me. So, that's very sweet, Daddy. Umiyak pala ako kayo na, guys. Like, I really cried kasi parang na-touch talaga ako. Yeah, mga simpleng bagay lang na nakakapagpasaya sa akin, guys. Kaya yun, it's obviously extra special kasi yung anak ko yung gumawa and then yung daddy niya yung nag-organize. So, yeah, very happy. And you heard Paris before singing happy birthday, which is very cute. Did you like her singing, Daddy?
Of course.
Yeah. Ayan. So, Daddy Mike is, ayan, naka-robe na siya, guys. He's going to sleep soon. And, yeah, me too. Actually, I have to clean the other room pa pala, guys. Kasi bukas, the agent, yeah, the agent is going to do, like, is that a quarterly check?
I don't know, half year.
Yeah.
We're gonna have 2 this year, so.
Yeah. So, check yung bahay, guys. Just making sure na hindi namin sinira. Just making sure that Daddy Mike didn't punch the wall or something stupid like that. I had a very, very special day. Thank you for making it very special, Daddy. I really appreciate the lunch at the park, although sobrang busy namin today. Sobrang busy ko today. But yeah, I really did appreciate that. Very special, very sweet. And then the card, of course, from Paris and my bestie coming over. You know, he cooked spaghetti. Meron pa parang natira, guys. So, meron pa tayong spaghetti for tomorrow. And, oh, yung ating bag pala, guys. It's funny kasi yung bag natin, hindi alam ni Daddy Mike. Binili ko yan for myself. And then sabi ni Daddy Mike, I didn't know that. I said, it's a surprise. surprise for you. But yeah, it's good. Yeah, and also my family, they sent me photos already. Nandun na sila sa yung restaurant or however you wanna call it. Kumain na sila guys for dinner, so they're going, maybe they will send me more photos and videos later, so I'll insert it here. And yeah, so that's it guys. That's my birthday for, 2020 birthday. Once again, I'm very happy, I'm very blessed, I'm very grateful, and yeah, I can't ask for more, guys. Like, I have my lovely family, I have Daddy Mike, we're all healthy, we're all happy. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, guys, for always watching our videos. I hope that you enjoyed our simple celebration of my birthday today. And welcome pala sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. And now, I'm just going to do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Ronald Balaba. And shout out daw to Hermie Gatchalian from Pasig, Manila. Shout out to Lina Levares, Daya Magallanes, GD Daniel. Shout out daw from Davao, hello. Shout out to Marde Pido from Dipolog City, Lisan Bansil, Carlota Pedro, Clarice Torres, Cherry Salazar. Shout out to Greta and Brent, Samantha Q, Myla Alonso, Aroma T, Joyan's Vlog, Lina De Los Santos, Jovelyn Boris, oh my god, the same name, hello. Shout out to Tess Arellano, Adia CM, Alma Rufin, Anita Valdez, Vanji Waknang, Edithel Ann Kadangan, it's me, Cheryl, Barbara Hermia, Emmeline Himao, Simply Ray, Joanne Ambe, Mikmik Greenery Kitchen, Rhea Sicharon, Fe Averion, Yet Balino, B. Foister, and Helen Abiertas. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Oops. I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Mwah.